T45 Fiber Optic Fusion Splicer, Daily Cleaning and Maintenance. Cleaning Tools, Fusion Splicer, Anhydrous Alcohol, Blade. Cotton Swabs. 1. V-Groove Cleaning. It is divided into two parts, the flat groove and the V-groove. Wipe the flat groove part clean with a dry cotton swab. The V-groove part. Gently scrape in one direction along the fiber groove with a blade. Remove the dust from the fiber groove. If the optical fibers are not aligned, it means there is foreign matter in the V-groove. 2. Objective Lens Cleaning. The objective lens is located inside the electrode rod. Clean the objective lens with a dry cotton swab in a circular motion. Please do not dip the cotton swab in alcohol. It will damage the objective lens. If the objective lens fogs up or gets dirty, it will affect its imaging. The optical fiber will turn white and move back and forth. 3. Cleaning of windshield presser feet. There are two white presser feet inside the windshield. The presser feet are used to fix the optical fibers in the V-groove. Foreign matter also affects the alignment of optical fibers. Clean back and forth with a cotton swab dipped in alcohol.